Does your home feel heavy or off balance lately? Maybe there's a sense of negativity lingering in the air, and you just can't quite put your finger on it. Don't worry, you're not alone, and you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to get rid of bad energy in your home using the power of fire. Yes, fire. It's not just for candles or cozying up in winter. It's also a powerful tool to cleanse and harmonize your space. Stick around and get ready to transform your home into a peaceful, positive sanctuary. Alright, when we talk about bad energy, we're talking about that unseen heaviness that impacts how we feel in our living spaces. Luckily, many ancient cultures figured out methods to clear and rebalance this energy, and fire consistently plays a central role. Here's how you can do it using 3 incredibly simple, fire-based practices. You won't just be cleansing your space, you'll also connect with a deeper sense of clarity and positivity. 1. Light a clay lamp diya with ghee. Our first method is borrowed from Indian traditions, lighting a clay lamp, or diya. It's a practice that represents bringing knowledge, prosperity, and positivity into your home. Here's how to do it. Take a small clay lamp and fill it with ghee, also known as clarified butter. Place it in a central spot in your home, like your living room or on a personal altar. Once lit, the gentle glow of the flame helps uplift energy and fills the space with a sense of balance. Bonus tip: while the lamp is burning, try meditating nearby or chanting a calming mantra. It amplifies the energy cleansing effect. Feel that softness and calmness in the air as the flame works its magic. It's a surefire way to bring light into both your space and spirit. 2. Burn a candle for serenity and focus. Next up, candles. Did you know that candles aren't just for romantic dinners? They're also a powerful tool for clearing bad vibes and creating an inviting, serene atmosphere. Simply light an organic candle, made from soy or beeswax, in your favorite spot at home, maybe near your workspace or your meditation corner. Watch the flame dance as you take deep, relaxing breaths or meditate for a few minutes. Focus on the warmth and steadiness of the light. It's a gentle reminder to stay grounded and centered amid life's chaos. Just one candle can completely change the energy in your home while creating a cozy, inviting vibe. Plus, bonus points for choosing non-toxic candles. They're better for your health and the environment. 3. Use incense to clear stagnant energy. Finally, we have incense, a staple in energy cleansing rituals around the world. The rising smoke isn't just visually beautiful, it also carries away negativity and uplifts the energy of your space. Here's what to do. Light your favorite incense, place it in a proper holder, and walk through your home, letting the smoke flow into all the nooks, corners, and forgotten spaces. While you do this, focus on your breath and set an intention for your home, like inviting in peace or clarity. The process grounds both you and your space, creating harmony on every level. From frankincense to sandalwood, each scent offers its unique vibe. Experiment and find what resonates best with you. Within moments, your home will feel lighter, fresher, and more aligned with positive energy. Still on the fence? While the power of these rituals is spiritual, there's science behind it too. Flames from candles or lamps create a meditative focus that calms our minds, reduces stress, and supports emotional balance. Incense and scented candles? They engage our senses, helping elevate and refresh our mood. Even if you're skeptical, these rituals instill mindfulness and intentionality to things we all need more of. Your home is more than just 4 walls, it's your sanctuary. By using one or all of these fire-based rituals, you take the first step toward creating an environment filled with peace, clarity, and positivity. Here's my challenge for you this week: pick one of these methods and try it out. Whether it's lighting a diya, burning a candle, or using incense, notice how your home and your energy shift. And when you do, come back and share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear how these practices transform your space and your spirit. Until next time, remember, a little light goes a long way.